How about a ChatGPT powered AI content writer which has its own AI presenter as well? Don't worry, I'm 100% flesh and bones. Meet Copymatic AI. We will discuss all about it in this video. Stick with me. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you would like to check out this app, then you can do so from the description below. So what is Copymatic AI? Copymatic is a GPT-3 powered content writer. Whether you want for your social media or for your e-commerce, it does it all. And of course, you can write SEO optimized and plagiarism free blogs as well. It can provide writer level quality content to the users. Plus, as an added bonus, it also has AI image generator. Didn't see that coming, right? How to get started? Well, just select the template you want and add in few details about your product or content, and then just click generate. It is that easy. They have 50 plus tools available along with grammar checker and sentence rewriter. They have tons of options with 80 plus templates. Basically your every use case scenario is taken care, from blog post to website copy and SEO, social media ads, marketing and much more. Let's take blog post writer for example. It asks us brief detail about the blog post we want to make and some keywords. I'm going to choose the fruit and vitamins and minerals as my keyword, and let's say our blog is about the benefits of vitamins and minerals gained from fruits. Let's go next and generate our blog title. With few titles available, let's choose the second to last. For intro, we will do the same as before. Oh, lots of options. Second one looks good. Let's select it. Yeah. You can write your own outlines also, from which Copymatic will expand to make it into the blog. Let's generate outlines. Click on yes to make the blog, and voila, it is here within few seconds. And we can scroll down to add a section. We can also add a section below. If you need, you can also move and edit and delete sections. You can check for plagiarism by clicking on the magnifying glass icon as well. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. Copymatic AI generates content which is plagiarism free. Content is SEO optimized, so you need not to worry about your Google ranking. It has the grammar check feature, using which Copymatic can check and rewrite the content for you. If you want more easy access, you can use their Chrome extension for your browser, WordPress plugin for your website, and their API is also available for paid members. The only downside I feel is their 1500 words limit on the trial. They have some amazing tools for long form content, but alas, they are limited to try. Coming to the pricing, which I find interesting, Copymatic's monthly pricing is similar to other AI copywriters. However, Copymatic provides massive discount on annual payment plans plus 4 months free. You can check this discount from the link in the description below. Copymatic provides 1500 words trial, and then the pro plan costs $19, team plan $32, and enterprise for $66 per month when billed annually. That's it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Now if you want to watch more AI tools and all that stuff, then definitely you should subscribe. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye bye.